Aurora is a global leader in medical cannabis production, primarily because of the passion of the people that work for the company. Pretty much everyone in the company is in it because they know that they're helping people, helping patients, and helping to improve lives. One of the pillars of production at Aurora is producing and processing cannabis in the most sterile environment possible. That includes very strict hygiene protocols for employees to ensure the production of a medical-grade product. All of our medical facilities are GMP certified. In order to produce the highest grade of medical cannabis possible, we need to ensure that each process is repeatable, batch after batch after batch, in identical ways. That means environmental conditions, as well as how the plants are fed, pruned and harvested, always making sure that they're processed to GMP pharmaceutical-grade quality. The process of producing cannabis starts with taking clones from a mother plant. If you take a clone, each plant you grow will be identical to the mother plant. To ensure consistency, we have to work with clones. We put them into little rock wool cubes in a special environment. It takes about a week to 2 weeks for them to root. When the roots are fully formed, they're transferred into a vegetative phase, which can last around 7 days. Then the plant might be anything from 15 to 25 centimeters tall. And that means it's ready to be switched into a flowering cycle. In nature, when cannabis grows, it will be a seasonal plant. That means in the fall, when the light hours of the day get reduced, the plant knows it's time to ripen and produce a flower to be pollinated and produce seeds. In a production environment, we adjust the light cycles to trick it into flowering, at a point in time that we decide for it to do so. Over a period of anything between 7 and 12 weeks, depending on the variety and genetics, the plant will grow out and produce cannabis flowers. Genetics are the blueprint of life. They determine the expression of the plant, not only in cannabinoid content, but also how the plant grows, how big the flowers will be, resistance to pests, or different molds. It's very important through breeding and research to create genetics that have the ideal properties to ensure the final product is as consistent and high quality as possible. When the plant is ready, we harvest the flowers, discarding the stems and leaves. At this point, they will be transferred into what we call a GMP area. In the GMP area, the cannabis flowers are handled like any other pharmaceutical product to make sure there is no contamination. Every crop is fully tested to make sure that the final product is of pharmaceutical grade, with accurately labelled cannabinoid contents from CBD to THC and all the other known cannabinoid groups.